Here we are out at Are You Smarter Than a Physicist? We have two players. Player 1 is Brianna, the girl on fire, and player 2 is Raina, the introvert. Okay? This game offers an opportunity to win $1 million. Isn't that amazing? Now, here are the rules. After I ask a question, the first person to hit the pink button will get a tally, and the person with the most tallies at the end of the game will win $1 million. If both of y'all hit the pink button at the same time, we will repeat the question. No physical contact, or else you will face the consequences if needed. Any questions? No? Let's begin. So here goes the first question, which is, what is the difference between temperature and heat?
Temperature is a measure of the average molecular motions and has units of Fahrenheit, Celsius, Kelvin, and Rankine. And heat is the amount of energy in a system, and the units are joules.
Okay, the answer was temperature is a measure of the average molecular motions and has the units of Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, and Rankine. Okay, and heat is the amount of energy in a system, and the units are joules. Perfect, that was a great answer. Next question, number 2. What role does mass play in internal energy?
More mass and more energy.
That's great. The more mass, the more energy. Looks like Brianna wants to take the money home. Next question. Question number 3. What happens to temperature during a phase change? Okay. Oops, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Looks like person number 2 takes the question.
No, I hit it first.
Person number 2 may answer the question.
Temperature stays constant.
That's correct. 1 point for Ms. Raina. Next question. How does the kinetic energy compare between phases of matter?
Particles move slow.
That's incorrect.
The particles move faster.
That's correct. Person number 2 gets another point. Next question. How do the temperatures compare between two objects in thermal equilibrium?
The temperatures are the same.
That's correct. Ooh, this game is getting heated. Now let's go on with the next questions that deal with heat transfer. First question. Which method or methods require a medium or matter? Okay, I'll give you a minute. After that, I'll choose who goes next.
She's looking at my answers.
No, I'm not.
Okay, both of y'all lose the question. The answer was convection and conduction. Next question for heat transfer is, which method uses currents to transfer energy?
Convection.
Correct. Good job. Okay, I'm going to update the scores for these questions, and Brianna has 1, 2, 3. Raina has 1, 2, only 2 points. It's okay, Raina. It looks like Brianna might bring you up since she's the girl on fire. Next question for heat transfer is, explain how a metal rod is heated at one end and transfers the heat to the opposite end.
Because of conduction.
That's correct. Okay, now these questions deal with enthalpy. First question, define enthalpy.
Entropy is a measure of disorder.
Good job. Looks like you're catching up. Next question of enthalpy. Give me an example of enthalpy increasing.
As temperature increases,
Okay. An example of enthalpy decreasing.
AC unit.
Correct. Well, amazing job. Looks like Raina takes all 3 points for enthalpy. She must have a lot of disorder in her life. Okay, let me update the board. Looks like Raina's winning, but wait, that's not the end. I have a bonus question which is worth 2 points. Here I go. Who is the most amazing, fabulous teacher not only in Baytown, but in the whole universe?
Mrs. Strickland.
Correct. Okay. Looks like if we give 2 points for each, Reina is the winner. Congratulations. Thank you, Reina, the winner of the show this week of Are You Smarter Than a Physicist? Okay, Reina, what do you plan on doing with the $1 million that I have right here since you won?
Well, I'm studying science, and it's been really good being on the show, but I've also had a problem.
What is that problem?
I've actually had a disorder with bronies, and I've had really trouble with it, and I know I need to get it under control and to get it handled. I think I should work on that.
Are those brownies?
Maybe.
So you're planning on buying brownies with the $1 million?
That'd be really good.
You are a cheater and a thief.
These are mine.
Okay. Reina, let's continue with that little interruption. So how did you get your name? Oh, okay. I think you should use support for that. Are you okay? Okay, guys. We'll be back next week with another show and some other contestants. Thank you.
We should buy brown.
Welcome to Are You Smarter Than a Physicist? Where we offer... Hello, everyone. Welcome to Are You Smarter Than a Physicist? Where we... Okay, sorry.
Measure of the average molecule.
Energy. Okay, question number 3. What happens... 2 points, 3 points for Brianna, and 2 points for Reina. Looks like Reina needs to do some catching on before she loses the money. Button. We'll get a tally in the second person. Oh, can we start over? Okay.